Hello guys, I have to redo some demo sites for some of my plugins that require advanced demo sites, and I thought that I can film myself in this process and show you guys how exactly I create my demo sites and with which plugins and which steps. So without further ado, let's get started with this. So first of all, we need to hit, we need to go to Google Cloud Console, and here we need to enable billing, which I already did. And now we create a new project. Okay, so let's give this a name. Okay, let's hit create. And our project is on the way. It is creating. Google Cloud is creating our project. So the final site will look like this one. So I want to create a site that looks like this one and has multiple demo instances that can create demo pages, that can create a demo instance for each plugin. So the final demo site will look like this. Okay, so we created our demo project. So as you can see, I still have a free trial with a lot of credit and days remaining, which will suffice for my demo for quite a while. So let us get started now. In the navigation, compute engine, VM instances. Allow this to finish setting up things. After it is set up, then we can go ahead and create our VM. It is taking a while, but we should have some patience with this. So until this finishes, we can go ahead to Marketplace here, and we can select the WordPress install we wish to get for our demo site. I like to use WordPress multi-site by Bitnami. This is the one I like to use the most. This is a multi-site install because the layout I want to create works only on multi-site install, because each demo will create a new multi-site instance for the tested plugin. So if we click here, launch on Compute Engine, there are some idle times during this video. You can skip ahead while the Google Cloud is processing my requests. Let me know in the comments if I should cut out these idle times. Would this be better for you guys, or you are okay with skipping ahead for the video? Let me know if you have preferences for this. Okay. We are waiting a while for this. It is good for you guys that you can skip ahead. For me, I cannot skip ahead. Okay, so deployment name. I give it a name. a zone. It is okay like this. Small, let's say it is okay. You can change this while your VM is created, so this is not final. You can upgrade this if you wish further on. Boot disk size, let's give this more space. Networking, okay, default, ephemeral, allow and deploy. So right now Google Cloud is deploying a multi-site WordPress and creating a new VM for it. While this processes, we will see in a minute admin URL, user and password here. Don't bother using these credentials because I will change them. So the credentials that you will see in this video will not work anymore when this video will be released. So just to let you know. Okay, it should finish in a minute now. I really wish that I could skip ahead these parts, these waiting parts. I usually do other work on my computer while these things process, but now I cannot because I have to stick with you guys. But it's okay. You're a good company, you know. Okay, it's finished. So we can go to the admin site here, the admin login site here, and it's not available yet. We should wait a bit and check back on it when it is available. So we should have a bit of patience here. Okay, I think I should pause this video and get back to you when the site is online. Okay, so until the deployment finishes, let's do one more thing. Let's go to VPC network, external IP addresses, and let's assign an external IP address to our machine. So as you can see here, you can select static, give it a name, and click reserve. And now we have also an external IP address that is static and it works for our host. Okay, so now we can wait and see when this will come online. I will pause this once again and check back with you. I just paused this video and the static IP is already online. So as you can see, the WordPress is online right now. Let us get started and login. So we need the credentials that that was created for us. To get this once again, search for deployment manager. So this is the one you should search for. And here you can view once again your credentials. So click on the machine you created and here you are. In the deployment manager, you can see admin password, admin user. So let us enter like this and we're in. We're inside our newly created demo blog. Sorry. Okay. So let's get started and configure it. Okay, so first of all, because this is an advanced deployment, we need to SSH into it and install some things in. So to get started, go to Compute Engine, VM instances, click on the VM, or you could have connected from the SSH, and click SSH to connect to the host. And now we can go on and install the stuff that we need. For my plugins, I need ffmpeg, so I do sudo apt get install ffmpeg. It is installing right now. Okay, now we can install now the required plugins. So go to Network Admin Plugins on your demo site and click Add New, upload plugin, and install the Demo My WordPress plugin. This is the main plugin that will create the demo instances for you. This should be network activated. After you activate this, install the plugins you want to test. In my case, the plugins are FaceLive, ULive, and MultiLive. These all three are live streaming plugins that require FFmpeg. And this is why I must create this separate demo instance for them. You do not need to network activate the plugins, just install them, because the Demo My WordPress plugin will do the activation for you. Now continue installing, uploading, and installing plugins. MultiLive, add new, and finally ULive. So all three plugins are installed now. This is a bit larger zip file because the ULive has a larger zip file because it contains the Google SDK for live streaming to YouTube, but eventually it will be installed. Okay, now our work here on the network admin page is done. We should go to the main site's dashboard, where we should create pages that will allow us to edit the and create the network demo instances. So click page, add new. And here you can enter a title for the demo creator page. I like to keep it simple. And for the content, I show you the dashboard of another demo site, and I will copy the shortcode from there that should be used. So this is a demo site that is a similar demo site, and simply paste this shortcode. Demo form, activate plugins. This is the plugin that should be activated for this specific form, and switch theme. If you wish to switch theme to another theme, you can do it, but in this case I will not. And now let's copy the slug of the FaceLive plugin and paste it here twice, because in the case of the FaceLive plugin, this is how it is created. So you should know which is the main file of the main PHP file of the plugin you wish to make a demo for, and point this to that file. Okay. Now after this is ready, all we have to do is click publish, and add another page for each similar plugin. For ULive also, once again the shortcode, once again the slug, once again without the switch theme, publish, and once again add new. For the last time, multi-live demo, and copy multi-live slug, paste it over here and here. Okay, I think I have messed up a bit for the ULive, I think. Yeah, this I forgot to input also PHP. So let's check if everything is alright. PHP, PHP, and PHP. Okay, everything seems to be okay. Now let's go ahead and make some additional settings. Let's go to network admin. Here we should define the permissions that we wish to allow to users. So if we scroll down, we will see that we can select what can users see when they create a new demo blog. So I like to allow users to see many things and to do almost everything on the newly created blog. So I check here without import and export and without tools. Let's allow them also to make settings and like this. Okay, so now users will have these permissions when they create a new blog. This is generated by the Demo My WordPress plugin, these settings. So you should see them only when you have the Demo My WordPress plugin network activated. Okay, I will save the settings now. Okay, and settings are saved. What we have to do now is go ahead and test if everything is working all right. So we should go to visit our site. Oh, and one more thing. I would like to show available demo sites here. So for this, we should go to the main page, appearance, and select widgets. Here on the widgets, we can select what the site is showing on the side. So let us select, I leave search, recent posts delete, recent comments no, archives, categories, meta. So leave only search on the side. Okay, and menus. Okay, there seems to be no menu. Okay, so search is there. Now let's also add the pages listing, because I like to list my pages. So if we put this here, demo generators. Okay, and save. In this case, let's delete also the search, and we are set up. So as you can see, now the demo generators are listed. Let's go to Face Live Demo, for example, and here it is. If you want to switch to other demo, you have options here. And now let's simply input the number here and click Create Demo and see what happens. And here we are, a new demo instance with a demo user which has access only to the generated site, and the FaceLive plugin is activated for him. Also, if we go to plugin settings, we should see that FFmpeg is available for him. This can be seen because if we enter here a custom path, the plugin will tell him that FFmpeg is not detected. So if this error is not showing, that the plugin successfully detected FFmpeg, like this. Okay, so it seems that I've finished setting up my demo sites for the free live streaming plugins. So let me know your opinions about this process down in the comments, and if you want to get more similar tutorial videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And until next time, have a great day. Bye bye.